Hi students, welcome to Botany online class. So in these videos we are going to learn about 12th standard Biobotany unit number 9 plant ecology. Under the chapter is 7, chapter number 7 is ecosystem. So now we are going to discuss is decomposition. So what is decomposition? Generally, the decomposition is one kind of the biotic factors. So what is decomposition? The process by which detritus are break down into simple organic matter by the decomposer, that is called decomposition. Detritus break down into simple organic matter. By decomposer. Decomposer, nothing but microorganism. That's why the decomposer. So what is meaning the detritus? So what is meaning the detritus? The detritus nothing but death plant, animals and the excreta. That's why detritus. Why the essential part decomposing the ecosystems? Because these are essential process for recycling and balancing of the nutrition or environment or ecology or ecosystem. Therefore, the decomposition process is essential process of the environment. Next, we are going to learn about nature of decomposition. So the process of decomposition varies based on the organic components. Varies organic components. Organic components like carbohydrate, fat and then protein. So these are decomposed in the rapidly or easily decomposed by decomposer. Then the cellulose, lignin, chitin, hair and bone. So the organic components like carbohydrate, fat and protein is easily decomposed with microorganisms or decomposed by decomposer compared to cellulose, lignin, chitin, hair and the bones, because these components are made up of complex. So therefore these are slowly decomposed with the microorganisms. Already in lower level they are written for this cellulose. So the cellulose and the lignin is one kind of the chemical component. This chemical component found in the cell wall of plant. And then chitin. So it is another one chemical component that are found in cell wall of fungi. And then hair and bones also found in the animals, and some hairs are found in the plants. All you see the cellulose, lignin, chitin, hair and bones does not easily decomposed by the microorganism, because these are made up of complex chemical substance. Next we are going to discuss about mechanisms of decomposition. So the mechanisms of decomposition is the stepwise manner or stepwise process. The degradations are magnified or degradations are mediated by enzyme reaction. Or the degraded by with help of the enzyme reactions. And then the detritus is one of the raw materials of decomposition. Some of the steps followed by the decomposition. For example, there are 6 steps involved the component breakdown to form organic or to form the simple substance. There are the 6 steps. First one is fragmentation. First one is the fragmentation. Second one is catabolism. Third one is leaching or elevation. Then fourth one is humidification. And the fifth one is mineralization. So the mechanisms of decompositions having some stepwise process. There are 5 steps that takes place. One's fragmentation, catabolism, leaching or elevation. Fourth one is humidification. Then fifth one is mineralization. So now we will discuss about the topics one by one. First one is fragmentation. So what is fragmentation? The fragmentation is the breakdown of detritus into the smaller particles by the detrivorous organism like bacteria, fungi and earthworm. This process called fragmentations. Very simply, the breakdown of detritus substance into smaller form or small particles with the help of detrivorous. What is in the detrivorous? Nothing but microorganisms. For example, these microorganisms like bacteria, fungi, some earthworm. So that are converted or break down in complex into the smaller form. This process is called fragmentation. So these detritus, they secreted some enzymes or some or certain substance The substance enhances to the process of the fragmentation. Finally, there increases surface of the surface of the detrite particles. That are the characters of fragmentation. First one. The second one is catabolism. Basically, the catabolism is a breakdown process, complex into the smaller form. That's why the catabolism. So, the decomposes like microorganism, they are produced in extracellular enzymes. Extracellular enzymes. So what is mean the extracellular enzymes? Like the bacteria, fungi, some other microorganisms, they lie for the soil or saprophytes that are secreted with some chemical substance or hormones. The chemical substance nothing but the enzymes. Thus enzymes helpful the breakdown of organic and inorganic substance or the complex organic and inorganic substance into the simpler form or simpler one. That process is called the catabolisms. Next we are going to see leaching or elevation. Leaching or elevation. So these are the movement of decomposed the water solvent or water soluble organic and inorganic components from the surface of the lower layer of the soil or it's carrying away from from the water for one place to the other places. This process is called leaching or elevation. Very simply, the movement of decomposed particles from one place to the other place, like upper surface into the lower surface of the soil, or that are moved from the one place to the other place with the help of the water. This process is called leaching or elevation. Next one is humidification. Humidification, which means this process by the substance like detritus or the simple detritus, they changed with dark color amorphous substance that is called humus. So thus humus has a very resistance of decomposers or resistance of microorganisms. Therefore, these are the slow process. So finally, they form of the nutrition. This process called humidification. And finally, this process of mineralization. So the mineralization, they released or abstract the organic minerals from the humus with the help of the microorganism. Such process is called mineralization. So these are understood. There are the 5 steps that takes place. They are fragmentation, catabolism, leaching or elevation, humidification and mineralization. So next we are going to discuss about factors affecting of decomposition. Affecting of decomposition. So the factors affecting of decomposition is mainly they are affected with the climatic factors. So already in previous classes we learned about the climatic factors, edaphic factors, topographic factors and biotic factors and etc. So the factors affecting of decomposition mainly they are affected with the climatic factors. Mainly they are affected with the climatic factors. These are one of the important natural factors because these are directly affected in the plant growth. Therefore, these are climatic factors. For example, this temperature. soil moisture, pH of soil, oxygen, and the chemical quantity of decompositions, all are they are directly affected with the decomposer or microorganism. Finally, this microorganism leads to the death. So therefore, these are affected with the decomposition. Okay, student. Today class is over. Thank you.